Hi everyone! Are you looking for a way to get rich quickly? Well, there is a new trend that might just be what you need. Artificial intelligence is changing the world in ways we couldn't have imagined just a few years ago. And with the right knowledge, you could use AI to make a fortune. The applications of AI are endless. From self-driving cars to personalized recommendations on Netflix, AI is transforming industries and creating new opportunities. And the best part? You don't need to be a tech genius to benefit from it. If you're a business owner, you can use AI to analyze your customer data and find new ways to improve your sales. Or, if you're an investor, you can use AI to predict market trends and make smart investments. But how do you get started? Well, that's where our tutorials come in. We'll show you everything you need to know to start using AI to make money. From the basics of machine learning to advanced algorithms, we'll guide you through every step of the process. With our tutorials, you'll learn how to find profitable business opportunities using AI, automate your marketing campaigns and save time, use AI to predict stock prices and make smart investments, and much more. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the comments to watch our full tutorials and start using AI to get rich fast. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Click the link in the comments and start your journey to financial freedom today.